Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another quick and easy recipe, Masunga Sanga Palle Polo. This is nothing but drumstick leaf dosa. Drumstick leaf has a lot of health benefits. It has a very good calcium and phosphorus which keeps your bones healthy and strong. So let's see how to make this healthy recipe quick and easily. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of idli rice, a pinch of turmeric, salt as per taste, and a small piece of tamarind, around 4 to 5 dry red chili, half a cup of grated coconut, and leftover rice or cooked rice, half a cup. This is completely optional. To begin with, wash and soak the idli rice for about 3 to 4 hours. Next, in a mixer, add the leftover rice, grated coconut, dried red chili, salt, turmeric, tamarind, and little water and grind it until you get a fine batter. Once your fine batter is ready, pour it into another vessel and keep it separately. Separate the drumstick leaf from the stem. Now roughly chop the drumstick leaves. Add about 2 cups of chopped drumstick leaf to the batter and mix well. Since this is an instant dosa, there is no fermentation required, so you can use this batter immediately. Preheat the tawa and add coconut oil. Pour 2 ladles full of batter and spread it. Flip the dosa and cook on both the sides. Pour coconut oil on both the sides and flip it and cook so that you get a crisp dosa. Now your polo is ready. You can have it along with any side dish of your choice. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.